Hello again, this is Steve with Mark Miller Toyota, and I'm bringing to you just a quick demonstration on how to use the Multiterrain Select as well as your crawl control on the new 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road. Let's take a look. To operate your Multiterrain Select and crawl control, the first thing you'll need to do is engage your car in a 4 low setting. So first thing is, if we're in a high 2, we just need to shift ourselves to high 4. The light will appear on your dash, indicating that you are in 4-wheel drive. Shift yourself into neutral, then make the transition to 4 low. Now, on the right-hand side, you have your Multiterrain Select. On the left-hand side, you have your crawl control. First, I'll show you the Multiterrain Select. First, we need to turn it on. To start, you will have a mud, sand, or dirt setting. As you twist your knob to the right, you'll see loose rock, mogul, which is obstacles such as rocks, and rock, which is your last setting. While engaged in a Multiterrain Select, this is telling your car's computer exactly what you are driving on for a better driving experience while driving off-road. To use crawl control, it's a lot of the same principle. Just turn it on. Make sure you are in drive, and you will notice the crawl control light on your dashboard turn on. At this point, you can tell your car what kind of speed you would like to crawl over the terrain that you are on, from low to high. You can then take your foot off the brake and allow your car to drive over to the terrain. All you will need to do is simply steer around obstacles. Well, thanks for watching. That's it on how to use your Multiterrain Select and crawl control. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to respond to them as soon as possible. And thanks again for watching.